Hello, sixth graders. We are looking at discounts today, which is 7-7 part 2 from our textbook. And our learning target today is I can solve real-world problems involving discounts. Sales tax was yesterday. Okay, a few vocab words up here for you. Discount and sales price. So discount is a certain amount of money that you are getting off of the original price. So when you go to the store and you have a 30% off coupon, that discount is that 30%. And so the sale price is then the new price of the item after the discount or the sale has been applied. Okay, so an example here, a hoverboard that has a regular price of $68 is on sale at a 35% discount. What is the sale price of the hoverboard? So that sale price means after the discount again. Again, just like with the sales tax, there's two methods that we can do. We can find the percent of the regular price and then subtract that discount from the regular price. Okay, so let's look at that. So first we would find 35% of 68. Turn this into a decimal. Multiply it by 68. And that equals 23.80. So that means with our 35% off sale, we are saving $23.80. So now we take the original price and we subtract off the discount, and that will tell us that our sale price of this hoverboard is $44.20. Okay. The second method is to subtract the percent of discount from 100. So with sales tax, we had the two methods. We could just find the percent and then add it on, or add the percent onto 100. This time we're doing the opposite. So we would take that 100% plus the 35% coupon, or 35% discount, and we would have 135%. And then we would turn that into a decimal by moving it 1, 2 to the left. So now we would take our $68 for the hoverboard and multiply it by 1.35. Oh, I'm sorry, we were supposed to be subtracting. So let me start over here. So we take the 100 minus the 35, and telling us that we are paying 65% of the original price. Now turn that into a decimal. There we go. And multiply it by the $68. And we find out again that the cost of the hoverboard after the coupon is $44.20. Okay? Little thing to note here. Sales tax and discount, if both are represented as percents, sales tax is a percent of increase and discount is a percent of decrease. So thinking back to 7-6, those percent of changes, sales tax makes the price go up, discount makes the price go down. Okay, so you can decide which method you would like to do. I'm going to do the one where we find the discount and then subtract it from the regular price. So we have a 25, the problem says here, a t-shirt that has a regular price of $15.50 is on sale at 25% discount. What is the sale price of the t-shirt? So turn this percent into a decimal, multiply it by the price, 25, 1550 times 0.25, and round it to the nearest cent, which is the second spot after the decimal, since we are talking money. Subtract that from the regular price, $3.88. And the new price of the t-shirt is $11.62. Okay, now I'll also do this one doing the other method. Take the 100, subtract off the discount percent. Okay, so we're going to pay 75% of the original price. Then take that decimal and multiply it by the price of the shirt, the regular price. Again, you pick whichever method works better for you. Okay. And again, we get the price of the shirt is $11.62. Okay? All right, Converse shoes have a regular price of $50 and are on sale for 15% off. What is the sale price? I'm going to do this method again. Okay. Take the price of the shoes, multiply it by the discount as a decimal, or as a fraction if that's easier for you. And you get $7.50. So that tells us we're saving $7.50 on these shoes. So 50 minus $7.50. And the new price of the Converse are $42.50. Okay, so now we are trying to find the original price, so we're working backwards. So the problem tells us a cell phone is on sale for 30% off. If the sale price is $349.99, what is the original price? Okay, so they're giving us the sale price, and we need to work backwards in order to find the total price. So if we think back to our percent equation that we used, it was part equals percent times whole. Okay. Now, the cell phone is 30% off. Okay. And that means that we are paying, so if we take 100% and we subtract off the 30% discount, that'll tell us that we are paying 70% of the original price. Okay? So we have to subtract it off to know that this part right here is 70% of the whole entire price. So now we can fill parts into our percent equation. The sale price is our part because it's just part of the part of the price of the cell phone. So $349.99. That equals this percent that we are paying, 70. Turn it into a decimal since it's a percent equation. Times the whole, that is what we are looking for. I'm going to use C for cell phone. Okay, or the original price. Now work backwards. Divide each side by 0.7. $349.99 divided by 0.7. And this would tell us that the original price of the cell phone is $499.99. And it should be bigger than the sale price, okay, because the original is always more than the sale price. Okay. Study tip to note here for the percent equation. Remember that in the percent equation, the percent must be written as a decimal. Since the sale price is 70% of the original price, use 0.7 to represent the 70%. Okay. All right, we have another example to use, but I will also want to note that if you prefer to use a percent proportion, it's part over whole equals percent over 100. So then you just have to set it up that way instead. Okay? So next one, find the original price if the sale price of the cell phone was $305.15 with the same discount. So again, it's 30% off, so we take that 100, that's the full price, minus the 30% off. and it tells us we are paying 70% of this, the whole price. So I'm going to use the percent proportion on this one. The sale price is our part, so that's our $305.15. The whole is what we're looking for. Percent, now since we're using percent proportion, we keep it, we don't turn it into a decimal. Now we do our cross multiplication. 305.15 times 100, get 30,515 divided by 70, and x equals 435.93. So the whole price of our cell phone is $435.93. Okay, don't forget you can go back and rewatch any part of this video that you are still stuck on. Otherwise, look at the examples in your textbook or the online tutor videos. Otherwise, take your 7-7 discount NICU at this time.